Vice President Sara Duterte admits reaching a point where she is now merely waiting for the current administration to have her jailed. During the office of the Vice President's 90th anniversary event on Friday, November 14, Duterte expresses her office's support for upcoming protests against corruption in government. In a chance interview, Duterte was asked if she fears that this support may prompt the government to file charges against her.
Actually, ma'am, inaantay ko lang kung kailan nila ako ikukulong. But apparently hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin nila mabuo-buo talaga kung ano yung strategy nila, paano nila ako ikulong. Dahil wala talaga silang ebidensya ng maling ginawa.
The Vice President also says she wasn't worried about Ombudsman Boying Remulla or the possible cases he might file against her. The Ombudsman has already begun reviewing complaints filed against Duterte over the alleged misuse of confidential funds by her office and the Department of Education during her tenure. Duterte says she is prepared for whatever may come.
Natatakot hindi kasi nakahanda naman na ako sa posibleng mga mangyari sa akin.
In the same interview, Duterte claims that the government is using sedition charges to silence dissent. The Criminal Investigation and Detection Group recently filed a criminal complaint against Cavite Representative Kiko Barzaga over violent incidents during the September 21 anti-corruption protests. According to Duterte, the government should be thick-skinned instead of being easily affected by criticism or dissent.
Ginagamit nilang panakot at ang gusto ko lang sabihin ay, katulad kanina, sinabi ko, huwag masyadong maging balat sibuyas yung administrasyon. Dahil isa sa aspeto ng demokrasya at good governance ay dissent. At hindi mo pwedeng pigilan yun. Dahil karapatan yan ng mga tao na magsalita kung ano yung iniisip nila, kung ano yung nararamdaman nila. Kung hindi man pabor sa administrasyon o gobyerno nilang sinasabi ng mga tao ay dapat respetuhin nila yon.
Duterte herself is facing sedition and grave threats charges before the Department of Justice. The charges were over her remarks during an online press conference last November 2024. Duterte had said she asked someone to kill President Bongbong Marcos, his wife First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos, and his cousin, then Speaker Martin Romualdez, should she herself be killed.